Chicken na.
Dito kayo magkakain after ng fancy pan. Ay, dito tayo guys kumakain sa Chuso Kitchen menu.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we ask what is Sapa healthy drink?
So this is the Sapa healthy drink. So combination siya ng different fruits, no? Yeah. So in one drink. Ito naman passion fruit juice. Ito naman the magical magical lychee.
Ay, asin.
Thing. Yeah. And this one is a placemat made from embroidery at talagang truly Sapa made. One of their handicraft here. Pag tinignan mo, akala mo parang cover ng throw pillow or yung mga pillows sa mga sofa, pero actually it's a placemat. Yeah.
Sarap na.
And watermelon. Ito na presentation.
Tofu ba yun?
And of course the chicken skewers and the rice. Thank you. So guys, dito kami kumain ng dinner namin sa Chuso Kitchen. 88 Akbak Sapa. Ito yung neighborhood niya. May pharmacy sa tapat. And I think bilihan ng mga embroidered na mga textile dito. Pwede kayong bumili as well. So magandang view, masarap ang food, mabait ang staff. Pagdating sa price, yung price okay lang ba? Magkano yung total bill natin for 4 person?
700 each.
700 each ang in peso, no, in peso, no, per person, for 4 person. So, isa to sa recommended na kaya that we will try it tomorrow. Ito naman mga bilhin ng souvenirs dito sa Sapa.
Si Pansan.
Oo. Ano yung sa taas niya? Hotel.
Kalimutan lang doon yung labas lang tayo. Sinabi steak lang ni Chico.
Cute. So guys, this is the Sapa Plaza and they have some cultural performances happening right now. Now, mga locals, I think mga tourists din. Sila. Such a good bag. So guys, meron mga nagbibenta na dala nila yung mga anak nila sa likod nila ng baby. So parang mga tribes sila ng Vietnam. Nagbibenta sila ng mga local textile. Mga tao. So guys, makapansin niyo yan sila. Sila yung mga tinda. Kahit yung mga bata, ayan o, sila yung nagtitinda dito. Mga street vendor, binibenta sila ng mga kitchen. Kaso nakabili na tayo. Cute pa naman nila. Sarap yung uwi. Oh, ayan po.
Nalaman lang talaga ito.
Buhay na buhay ang Sapa sa gabi. So yung mga tinitinda nila dito, chestnut, saka yun, kinain namin yan sa fancy pan. Ano to, parang ano? So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Phong Cafe. Pinakasikat siguro nila to na local coffee shop sa Vietnam. So nakita namin ito meron sa Hanoi, meron din ngayon dito sa Sapa. So ito try namin yung kanilang famous local coffee shop. So guys, ito yung in order. I think this is coconut milk and cocoa. Ito Baishu, but this is one of their best seller. Yeah. Bill namin for everything, it's 195. Kasi bumili pa kami ng tote bag ng Phong Cafe. Mga bata nagpa-perform. Thank you. So guys, room tour. This is our room. It's a VIP room. It has its own separate living room, workstation, of course the mini ref, and then of course the bedroom, which is separated by this divider. Okay, so yeah, no. Okay, and of course it has its own flat panel TV, the cabinets, as well as the big room. Big bathroom. And may bidet, of course shower. Yan. Hindi lang siya bathtub, but that's okay kasi hanggang bukas lang naman kami dito. So what happened is hindi talaga ito yung room na ibubook namin or binook namin rather. But since I think konti yata yung kanilang mga guest, meron pa silang available na itong room na to. So they gave us a special price to upgrade the room from the deluxe mountain view, okay, to VIP room or junior suites. They call this as the junior suite. No, so it has its own balcony. Itong room namin, ka-level siya nung ayan. Ito, ang kanilang parang veranda, you know, and of course the famous Sapa train station on the other side, and of course yung mountain view, but obviously right now you can see it, guys, no? So yan, so they have a pool, yan, connected yan, kaso right now it's under restoration, no? Parang inaayos nila yung gilid niyan kasi nga ito ay cliffside, no? Para mas matibay. So yeah, so may kasamang breakfast. Doon kami nagbe-breakfast. Andun din ang reception, no? So yeah, this is Joville Sapa Hotel. So kaya kami gabi na dumating at nandiyan pa yung mga luggage namin. Kasi post natin to kasi nanggaling kami sa isang room, which is the standard room, and kaya namin binook yun kasi kulang kami ng isang araw dahil ang dating namin sa Sapa is 3 AM, which is today, this morning. So unfortunately kailangan na namin i-book the other day para covered na lang. Yung nga lang, para makatipid, we decided to book a different room na mas mura, no? So ngayon, after kanina pag-checkout namin, automatically lumipat na kami sa bagong room namin kung saan sila nag-offer ng upgraded na room. Hindi nga lang siya 2 beds, but I think this is a king size or queen size. I'm not sure. Kasi hindi naman ganito ang bed ko sa bahay. Ito malaki ito masyado, no? So yeah, so price of the hotel sa Nayang Bunok sa Agoda. Okay, price of this the upgrade is 1.1 million Vietnamese dong. So yun yung upgraded fee. Okay, but originally I think ang binayad namin dito is around 5,000. Yeah, 5,000 for 2 rooms, no? But not this room. Kasi iba yung aming binook na room nung simula, no? And again, as I mentioned, nag-offer si Jovial Sapa Hotel na i-upgrade yung room namin kasi available tong room na to. So, and yung upgraded fee is 1.1 million Vietnamese dong.